This is how everyday materials are transformed into the products we use. This looks like an ordinary street food stall, serving hundreds of people every night. The oil used here is assumed to be fresh and legally supplied. But the supply of this oil is rarely questioned by customers or vendors. Behind many stalls, used cooking oil is stored and handled just like ordinary supplies. Behind the kitchen, wastewater and leftover oil are released directly into small street drains. The cover is opened to expose the wastewater and the floating fat beneath it. Only the floating fat is skimmed off, while the contaminated water is left behind. Inside the bucket, the collected oil is mixed with food scraps, foam, and wastewater residue. The skimmed oil is transferred into transport barrels, ready to be moved out of the area. The collected oil is quietly transported through back streets to small processing locations. The oil is delivered to small, unlicensed workshops operating outside the formal food system. Inside the workshop, the collected oil is unloaded and prepared for basic processing. The collected waste oil is poured directly into open drums for further basic treatment. The mixture is left to settle, allowing heavy waste to sink and usable fat to rise. Workers skim only the floating fat layer, separating it from the heavier contaminated waste below. The recovered fat is passed through a simple cloth filter to remove visible solid particles. The filtered oil is then heated in open containers to prepare it for resale.
After heating, the oil is transferred into containers ready for distribution.
The oil is sealed, labeled informally, and prepared to be sent back into local food supply chains. Once packed, the processed oil is loaded for delivery to nearby food vendors. The oil now leaves the workshop, moving back toward the same streets where food is prepared. The processed oil is quietly delivered directly to food stalls, without any official inspection.
Within minutes, the delivered oil is poured directly into the cooking station and reused for food.
Customers receive their food without knowing where the cooking oil originally came from. For customers, the food looks normal, and the process behind it remains completely invisible. The same oil continues to be used throughout the night, without any visible difference to customers. There is no visible inspection or verification of where the cooking oil has come from. For most people here, the story behind the oil remains completely unknown. For most people here, the story behind the oil remains completely unknown. This hidden supply chain continues every night, in plain sight, across busy food streets like this. This investigation shows how easily unsafe practices can enter everyday food without being noticed. For consumers, the true origin of cooking oil often remains hidden, long after the meal is finished. If you enjoyed this process, like the video and subscribe for more documentaries like this.